Hi, this is Leah, and this is week 3. For this week's interactive advanced concept presentation, the topic was magnetic fluid. So just some key concepts for this week. For this presentation, we need to know what magnetism is. So this is a physical phenomena which is caused by the motion of electric charge and magnetic moments of particles. So with that, what is a magnetic moment? So this is what gives the quantity or strength of a magnet, and it is determined by the spin and electric charge of an electron. We also need to know what a ferrofluid is. We will be creating our own ferrofluid in this experiment. This is a liquid in which the shape can be influenced by magnetic fields. So it is a liquid that can be acted upon by magnetic fields. And then we also need to know what a colloidal mixture is. This is a mixture in which particles are evenly distributed throughout a solution and they do not settle over time. So they stay evenly distributed. So what do we have to do for this experiment? Some things that you need. Here's a picture of mine over here. You need toner, so ink toner, vegetable oil, a magnet, and then a container just to mix this all in. So we want to place the toner into the container, add the vegetable oil to that, mix it up thoroughly, and then we want to hold the magnet near the solution, the new mixture, and see what happens. So first I added my toner into the container. Then I added the oil, the vegetable oil, and mixed it together. And then once everything was combined, I held up my magnet to the outside of it to see what happened. So at first I thought that maybe I saw a little bit of movement from the magnet, but I think that might have just been me moving the container a little bit. So unfortunately for me, it did not work. But let's go over what was supposed to happen and why is this supposed to happen. So the magnet should cause the liquid to change shape. It should cause some movement there when we hold the magnet up to the side of the liquid. If it's in a close enough proximity, then we should see a change. But so why should we see this? We should see this because we are making here a ferrofluid. So as we learned about before, a ferrofluid, it can be influenced by magnetic fields. It can have the liquid change shape due to a magnetic field. So we are making this ferrofluid by combining the toner and the vegetable oil. So the toner acts as a ferromagnetic particle, and then the vegetable oil is just simply the fluid carrier of these particles. So we have a colloidal mixture formed, which we have the toner particles evenly distributed throughout the fluid, which is the vegetable oil. So when we place a magnet next to this ferrofluid, a force should be acting on the toner particles or the ferromagnetic particles, which again are evenly distributed throughout the oil. And then this force should cause the particles to move, and when the particles move, it takes the oil with it, which makes it look like the mixture or the liquid is changing its shape. So like I said before, unfortunately mine did not work. Perhaps I did not use the right proportion of toner to oil. Maybe there weren't enough particles in it, or maybe it was too saturated. And perhaps I used the wrong magnet. And that is everything. Thank you for listening.